guess where I am again? We about to do a stunt show rehearsal. I'm here. Allison's here. Shelby's here. Gaston, Arlana, and Kobe. What are we actually doing today? So we are rehearsing for the stunt live show that we have going on next week. And so we're doing more of the same of what we were doing last time, except there's less of us today, so we have to kind of like mock up and do other people's parts. I'm in a bunch of new spots, and my brain is slow. Oh, I remember. You wanna know what just happened? I just ran over the thing that's supposed to stop my car. Brain, my chalk. Ugh. I've done some funny things today. Let's do this. So you guys know, this is kind of my eye level right here. This is what I see when I drive. And Trevor realized that just the other day. He was like, wait, you can't even see your, like, hood? And I was like, no, dude. I drift looking at the road, but, like, I see my steering wheel in my sight line. But I'm thinking for this, because I have to be so close to these pillars for this practice that we're doing, that I want to see my hood so I know where I am. So I'm going to borrow my passenger seat and boost me up so that I can see. These are detachable, which is really great. Okay. These are my booster seats, guys. Okay, we're getting ready here. I need to stop being distracted. Ooh, let's put it here. Nice. We're gonna see what that view looks like in a minute. We're walking it, guys, we're walking it. So tight, less angle here, less angle here.
Introduce some peril, just step on the throttle and get a little closer.
Don't get near him, don't get near him. And then we're doing 2, 3. We decided 3?
This is where we leave.
Okay.
He's coming around.
Yeah. You guys would have done a lot more than you did.
And you and I, Allison,
You're doing everything today?
yeah, I think we're in every part today. So I'm gonna e-brake after Arlana, and I'm gonna go here.
We can just like go in and just pivot like in and come back. Right?
Oh,
'Cause you're
okay,
in front
yeah.
of me, right?
Okay, I've got my booster seat, guys. Let's see how this goes. I can see it. Okay, this is what I see now. That's it. All right, better. Normal human height. I think my helmet's gonna hit the roof. So yes, I was right. If I do want to move forward and see something, I do hit the roof. So I just need to be aware of that. Make sure I'm in, it's like a ping pong ball. I'm so not used to being this tall, guys. It's great. I'll just put my head like in between the thing. There we go. That's sturdy. We're good. Safety.
You really gonna allow that person to drive behind you?
Well, we'll see.
Ahoy! Captain has made it.
Me?
Yeah, you.
Me, yes.
He just got off work and just came here, but he doesn't have his car. So he's a professional vlogger now.
Professional.
Cassandra, do you want to do tight donuts with me around the pillar, or are you still testing?
I called it with gas because I just don't feel like I'm consistent enough today, and I'm kind of a little off my game, so I think I'll just bow out of that one.
Copy.
That's right, kids. Sometimes you gotta say no. It's that same feeling I had the day where my car rolled off the thing and things were going wrong. Oh! My dragon! I just needed to call it. Like, I don't need to prove anything. All these people, they know my skill set. I know my skill set. I'm just off today, and I don't want to cause some sort of accident. I got real close to the pole, and I was like, no, today's not my day. That was robot talk.
on the far side of the pillar, so everybody kind of does the same thing versus like people run out of 90s by like Shelby.
Actually, you know what's kind of cool? First 3 cars come in and slide the 90, and then the next 3 cars go wide on the post, and the 4th car starts at the very end, and everybody slides in from there. Makes sense? We're trying?
Let's do it.
We'll work on it. We'll just tighten up our end marks a little bit. And Cassandra can back up and then drive the length and do a sort of drift around the post. And then Shelby, then Allison, and then Alana. Go. Keep it tight.
You want us to continue or help you?
Well, normally I think we would continue, but yeah, in this case, yeah, let's just pull it off.
So here, we're too close to the fence for it to be pulled over. So we're gonna see how this goes. Ooh.
There, well, we're going to reattach. Back it up a little bit. A little bit more. Okay, that's tension. Here she comes.
Whoa! Whoa! That was close! Oh, oh yeah, you have a good fist in there though. Yeah, you're good. That's called somebody who has good measurement skills for sure.
Yeah, we planned that.
We planned it.
We planned it.
Water break and check tires.
like a long walk of, as people would say, the walk of shame. I had to clean up my dirt drop. You're not supposed to dirt drop at the track. I dirt dropped many a times today. I told you it was an off day. It was a good thing I called it.
Sometimes you gotta know when to thumbnail.
For real. Let's go get my car so everyone knows it's a car vlog.
Exactly. You Photoshop it in.
Wow, that was fascinating.
It's like when the arborists take down the tree and they're like so precise.
Yes.
This is our redwood.
Yes. Yeah, we're pros with cars falling.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Adjust.